Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to utilize Searchbug SSN Validator. Why is this important? Verifying SSN helps prevent fraud, ensures accurate records, and keep businesses compliant with regulations. Whether you're hiring employees, onboarding customers, or conducting background checks, validating SSNs can save you from costly mistakes. It's important to note that to utilize Searchbug SSN Validator, you'll need the SSN Verification Account add-on. We have a dedicated video on our channel that will walk you through the application process. Simply search for "How do I apply for SSN add-on" on our channel to learn more. To begin, log into your Searchbug account. If you don't have one, sign up for a free account by clicking on the Sign Up button on the upper right-hand corner. Then navigate to Business Service tab. Then hover your mouse to SSN Verification, and then select SSN Validator. Enter the social security number that you want to validate in any format, click Verify. In just a few seconds, Searchbug will provide you a comprehensive report with the valuable insights such as verification if the social security number you entered is valid or invalid. If the SSN is valid, report includes the state of issuance and the year or year range when the SSN was issued. If the SSN is valid, report will also indicate if the SSN is active, reserved, for future use, or if it's belonged to a deceased person. If deceased, that records includes full name, as well as date of birth and date of death. Please note that sequential SSN verifications are not allowed and monitored. Thank you for watching.